Why should I pay tens of thousands for your wall printer when I can find similar equipment on AliExpress for much less money? We hear this a lot, and you know what? That's a damn good question. If you're only looking at the price, the math seems simple. But if you're thinking about building a business that's supposed to make money and not frustrate you, then you're looking at completely wrong metric. Today I'll show you why comparing our printer to some random equipment from China is like comparing training with a personal trainer to buying yourself one dumbbell. In both cases, you'll get some exercise, but the results will be drastically different. And if you don't know me yet, hey there! I'm Rafa from Wall Printers. On this channel, I share my knowledge and experience from the wall printing industry, show you how to enter this business and effectively build a company based on this innovative service. Before we get into the technical details, we need to establish one crucial thing. When you buy a printer from some random seller in China, you're buying a tool. Period. After a few weeks, you get a package, and if you're lucky, the machine comes with an instruction manual awkwardly translated into English, and that's it. You're left alone with everything. And that's exactly the trap.
It's a trap!
You think you have everything you need, but actually you only have the first simplest piece of the puzzle, because business isn't just the equipment. Business is more than that. Business is knowing how to use it to make money. It's processes for acquiring customers. It's support when something goes wrong. And that's exactly the difference. I don't sell printers. I sell a complete system for making money that I've tested on my own skin. All right, but let's talk about the equipment itself. Can you print successfully with a cheap machine from China? Of course you can. I've tested various solutions myself at the beginning of my wall printing journey. The question isn't whether, but how and for how long. Our printer is equipment that's been battle tested by us and by over 200 entrepreneurs across Europe. This isn't a prototype, it's a refined tool. What's more, it's constantly evolving. Our clients throw out ideas for improvements, and we take that feedback, go to the engineers behind our machines, and think about how we can further improve the comfort of using the Wall Printer Pro. And you know what? Often these ideas lead to updates, which just shows another advantage. When you have our printer, you join an ecosystem where people share knowledge and actually influence the development of the equipment we all work on. Buying from an unknown source, you're playing the lottery. Maybe you'll get lucky and receive working equipment, or maybe after a month something will start knocking, leaking, and print quality will be unstable. And that's when the real problem starts, because you don't have real support. Imagine this situation. You're at a client's place, job in progress, suddenly the printer stops. The client is watching you. Time is ticking. If you have equipment from China, what do? You write an email. You wait 8, 10, 12 hours for a response because it's the middle of the night there. Someone responds in broken English, sends you a link to a video in Chinese. Day of work lost, client angry, money gone.
This is the worst!
Now, our option, you pull out your phone, write to our technical chat. Within 5 minutes, someone responds who's in the same time zone, speaks fluent English, and most importantly knows this equipment inside out because he's a practitioner himself. An experienced printer operator. He guides you step by step, problem solved in 30 minutes, business saved. And that's the difference. This isn't a nice addition. This is insurance for your business against paralysis. Plus spare parts. We ship them within 24 hours from our warehouse in Europe. And a shipment from China? Good luck. You'll need to wait for a couple of weeks. But even the best equipment and support won't help if you don't know how to acquire customers. And this knowledge is the ace up our sleeve that sets us apart from other companies selling wall printers. Because we started from zero ourselves. We were in the same place you are now. We made every possible mistake so you don't have to. And we packed all that knowledge into concrete tools. Along with the printer, you get the course How to Make Money with Wall Printing. This isn't general talk about marketing. This is step-by-step instruction on how to start building a business in this specific industry. You also get ready-made marketing materials from us, photos and videos you can use from day one in your ads. And this is really important. When you're starting, you don't have your own portfolio of projects to show off yet. We effectively solve this problem. Sometimes I'm browsing Instagram, an ad pops up of someone printing something, and I think, damn, nice print. And only after a moment it hits me that this is footage from our database that someone from the community used in their ad. And that's awesome. That's exactly what this database is for. So our community members have great footage they can use on their social media so they can start operating from day one. Besides that, we'll create your first website for your new business. You also get tons of instructional videos, checklists and guides, everything so you have a complete knowledge and tools base, both technical and business-wise. If what I'm talking about sounds like a plan, and if you're looking for a complete idea for a functioning business, not just a machine, then take the first step now. Go to the link in the description below this video, fill out the form on our website, and you'll get our complete offer. It costs you nothing and gives you the full picture of what we offer. Going back to the question from the beginning, yes, you can buy a printer cheaper, but as my grandmother used to say, what is cheap is expensive. In business, there's a simple rule. You pay once for peace of mind and certainty, or you pay multiple times for putting out fires and fixing problems. A cheap printer is a path where you save at the start, but risk that every next step will cost you tons of time, nerves, and lost money. The choice isn't between a cheap and expensive printer. The choice is between a lonely fight in unknown territory and a partnership journey with a guide who knows every stone on this path. And that choice is yours. Thanks so much for watching. If this video gave you something to think about, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more concrete info about the wall printing business. And if you're ready to take the next step, the link to our website is waiting for you in the description. See you later.